Hello everybody, today we make rigatoni with the pork meat, zucchini and plum tomato. And I got all the ingredients over here. And I got the rigatoni, I got a plum tomato, I got a pork meat, it's a ground meat, pork. I got a zucchini, I need a lemon, garlic, and I got over here the oye baby my hot pepper. I want to use a little basil. And you need salt and black pepper. And I got pecorino cheese. Now, the start, we gotta start to chop everything. And I want to start with the zucchini. And we start cut on a cube. I take this piece out, and over here out. And we put it right on the dish over there. Now, I cut the zucchini in half. Look how beautiful, really, really nice zucchini. And now what I do, I slice this like that. And now we make a cube. You gotta be the cube not too small and not too big. Like this. This size, it's really good. Okay, now the zucchini is done. And I put on this dish, the bowl. Got this, I gotta saute on the pots on the stove. Okay, now we do the tomato. I did already this tomato, and now I show you the rest of the tomato. What I did, I cut in half and take the seeds out. Like this. And we take all the seeds out, okay? After I take the seeds out, okay, that's it. Now, we cut this another half like that. After you cut the tomato on a cube, and you do like this, and like that. And we do the rest, all the same thing. Okay, now this, you gotta go right on this bowl over here, the tomato. And now, what I gotta do, I got the lemon over here, and I wanna squeeze the lemon. I got a little black pepper. Good. A little salt. And we give another turn. All right. I finished with the tomato, and now I got one garlic, and I want to chop this garlic. Okay, now we chop a little bit. And we put it right on this little dish over here. Okay, and let's go on the stove for now to saute the zucchini first. And we put the oil. We leave it warm up the oil really, really good. Because it's cold the pots, the zucchini stick. Like this, I put the oil every place on the pots. The pots it's warm up now, and let's put the zucchini. I'll leave the dish over here, okay? After this, the zucchini, I saute a little bit like this, and after, I gotta take it out, and we gotta put something else on the pots before. I gotta make the sauce. Okay, now, this you gotta cook now, about 2 to 3 minutes like this. Okay, now the zucchini saute, it looks really good. And I want to put it back on this dish over here. Like this. Okay, now I'll bring everything on the stove. I got the meat, the garlic and the hot pepper. And we put the pasta back over here, the gas. And we gotta put a little oil. Now let's start with the garlic and with the hot pepper. You don't gotta cook too much the garlic and the hot pepper. And now I put my meat to saute together. And we do nice. I want to make the meat a nice color on the meat. Look at the meat how nice it is. Because this I grind with the machine by myself. I did the machine. And like this it comes much better, the meat. Okay, the meat is done. Now I want to get my plum tomato. And the plum tomato, it's good to get, you got a little lemon together and it give you more good taste. Okay, now we give a nice turn on this. And now this you gotta cook a little bit more. All right. Oh, look how beautiful looking now. Okay, now I put this on low. Now I gotta get the pasta to start to cook the pasta. The water boiled. Now this you gotta cook for 9 minutes. But when it's 8 minutes, I take it out. I want to cook it together with the meat, everything with the tomato. Okay. Make sure to give a nice turn for the pasta. Because if you don't give a nice turn, the pasta is stick together. Okay, now the pasta is almost ready. I gotta take it out. Let me taste the meat with the tomato. So I got enough salt and pepper. We gotta put salt and pepper. Kind of was put on the meat. I got the salt, and we use the black pepper. Okay. We give a nice mix for the salt and black pepper. Okay, now the pasta is ready, and we gotta take it out of the pasta. Now what I do, I switch pots. Turn the gas off, and I put the pots right over here. I don't want to burn it by myself. I put the gas on over here. Now we strain the pasta. It's okay, got a little water. I need a little water for the pasta. Good. Okay. We turn the pasta, and now you gotta go to the zucchini and mix it together with the zucchini. Okay, good. And now it starts to look really delicious. We use a little pasta, water. A little bit more, it's enough. And we give a turn now. And now you see it look really nice. I want somebody to make this beautiful dish. Now this is done, and I want to put on the table over there, because I want to taste this dish. Okay, now I want to taste my pasta. Look at this, look how beautiful. It looks really good. Oh. And I want to put a little pecorino cheese on the top. good. And now, let me test my rigatoni. Zucchini. With the meat. Really, really good. And with a little wine, it do much, much better. I want to say salute cincine, everybody. A salute. Good.